Hello, my name is Leonardo Nale. I'm here to present a case study in Logistics 4.0, railroading to transport precious billions, metals, and sourcing solution for the mining industry in Chihuahua. This is the research is done in Ibero Torreón in the Doctorado of Procesos Sociales. Alberto Cesati is the director of this research. Let's start with this. Ignacio Ellacuría Principle. He was many things. He was a priest. He was a Jesuit. He was the director of the University of El Salvador. He was assassinated by the CIA in the guerrilla in El Salvador. And he left us a very interesting intellectual baggage, which I called, one of them, I called Ellacuría's critical reality analysis principle. That is, in the analysis of political reality, it is the systems and their possibility that will determine the critical reality. When power regimens favor and foster certain industrial policies or social policies or any policies whatsoever in old eras, and then new eras come with new policies, possibilities emerge. And that's very important because that's what happened in the railroad industry here in Mexico. These possibilities now are our future. And this is the problem we're solving. It's a logistical network to supply the mines in the state of Chihuahua. We have two types of mine: no metallic, that is gold and silver and precious metals, and metallic, which is used to make steel. Now, what is an intelligent system 4.0? This picture is the warehouse of the Soriana, and actually helps us define what's an intelligent system. It is, well, Molina in 2020 says it operates in an environment with other agents, possess cognitive abilities such as perception, follows behavioral principles based on rationality and social norms. Accenture says the system has to be relevant, resilient, sustainable. Other authors says it is the paradigm 4.0. It is characterized by the use of new technologies such as EOT, 5G sensor, RFID cards, and smart products. And other authors says technological application focus on increasing efficiency of safety and road to transport. It includes advanced electronic communications and information systems. I like this definition. It's a systems of an intelligent system 4.0 is a system of systems. It's a collection of systems, each capable of independent operation that interoperate together to achieve additional desired capabilities. We can find it. I find this definition in Meter website. Now, what's going on in the market industry? How competitive is the rail freight industry in Mexico? Okay, we are in the 60. We're sticking in the 61 place in rail infrastructure. We haven't changed in the last few years. COFECE says the network hasn't grown despite the investment in track and equipment improvements. But we all know there's a lot of projects in execution right now, confirmed projects and proposals. But how competitive is the rail freight industry? And we're going to talk about the quality of the cargo. Well, more than 50%, as you can see, is not satisfied. It's unsatisfied or it's not neutral. Now, to represent what the problem we're trying to achieve, and we're going to achieve a lot with this model. We're going to use a sales and operating production scheme. So we have to divide the inbound logistics and the outbound logistics. In the inbound, we're going to have all the components, materials, tools, and machinery that help us extract the mineral of the mine. And for an outbound logistic, we will be handling an emulator. This emulator will arrange the cargo in a certain way in order to be the system optimized. These are the schematics. This is the inbound model. This is the outbound model. As you can see, there's a bolt, a security bolt. We're gonna eliminate 10 bolts and put on a big Rhino bolt. Sensor as a business model is a reality right now, so investment will be in levels will be low. That is useful for the cost of capital. This is the blockchain diagram that also will help us achieve the greatest capability, the most important capability with the greatest benefits. That is credit to the mine. And we're going to gather all the information through a request for proposals system, which it's a very mature application right now in this industry. Now, it is important that we have to answer some questions and make a database with it. And that database will help us model the competitive profile, the competitive response profile. And that it's a very interesting database we have to work in the market. We're gonna do the match with the Jacquard similarity index. And we have to remember we are constituting a new capability. That is the integration of all the tools to day-to-day operation, intelligent operation will be in this application. It is very important that we say that it has to be very cost effective. Later on, we can commercialize this in the vertical market with other warehouse and the railroad network. There's a lot of savings to change it, only to change type of transport. We can see in this components. The biggest savings are in the inbound logistic use case railroad, because we are not only changing type of transport, but we're increasing volume demands and achieving great costs, great supplier costs. Now, for the business case analysis, there's a discussion of it. The most important, that is a feasible, even without the technology. Inflation's costs make it a viable alternative. The absence of larger projects makes our project in the north possible. Now, we have two great logistic projects in Mexico. One of them is the Tehuantepec Isthmus, which will bring commerce from Asia. And we also have the Caxtur Group project, which they are promoting right now a seaport in Mazatlan with all the logistics cases. New logistic route will open for commerce for this particular project of Caxtur. Now we better watch out with the Generation C requirements. So we have to begin to make a circular economy model around this developments as well. We still have a long way to go. We have to promote business strategies, promote the clusterization, integrate and adapt to the business. The building a business portfolio will constitute an important endeavor. So it is what we're working right now. Now, there's this just came up, the Directriz of Emergencia para el Bienestar de los Usuarios en el Servicio Público Ferroviario de Carga. It was published on the 10th of this month. So this is in a future research. Basically, what they're doing is watching out for the railroad tariffs. And because inflation is killing the industry. Now, this is a key takeaway. In the analysis of political reality, it is the systems and their possibilities that will determine critical reality. Remember this. This will help you in all industries under the sun. And finally, there's some music that I like to remember for this intelligence system 4.0. It's from the Fiddler from the Roof. Matchmaker, matchmaker, make me a match. Find me a find, catch me a catch. Matchmaker, matchmaker, look to your book and make me a perfect match. These are the references used for this project. Thank you very much.